Students, as you know, in my last video, I told you that how the narrator wants Ranga to get married, but he tells his feeling that why he is not interested in getting married. Okay, and now they were, as you know, discussing. So now the narrator was distressed. Okay, he was disturbed that the boy who I thought would make a good husband, okay, he would be a good husband, and he had decided to remain a bachelor. And then he chatted with Ranga for some time, and after that, Ranga had gone. But the narrator was not going to leave this matter, and he made a plan for getting him to married. And Rama Rao's niece. Okay, now Rama Rao is another family of that village. So Rama Rao's niece means आप जानते हो भतीजी, brother's daughter. She had come to stay with her uncle. Okay, her uncle was Rama Rao. And because she was from a big town, she knew how to play the veena and the harmonium. Okay, she could play veena and the harmonium, and her voice was also sweet. Both her parents had died, and her uncle had bought her home. Okay, her parents had died, and now she was staying with her uncle. And earlier she was living in big city. She knew how to play veena and harmonium. These are musical instruments, veena and harmonium. And now because she was staying with her uncle, the narrator thought Ranga was the just boy for her, and she the most suitable bride for him. And the narrator most of the time used to go Rama Rao's place. Okay, he was free to go in Rama Rao's house, and girl was also quite free with him because he was quite friendly with their family. So the girl also used to talk with him freely, and she was free with him. And now the narrator tells her that he had completely forgotten to mention her name. Ratna it was. Okay, he is telling he had forgotten, and now he tells her name, and the name of that girl was Ratna. And the very next morning, I went to their house and told Rama Rao's wife, I'll send some buttermilk for you. Ask Ratna to fetch it. Okay, now he is planning. Okay, his plans going on. So next morning, he went to Rama Rao's house and told his wife that he will send some buttermilk for them. Buttermilk, you know, छाछ मट्ठा जिसको बोलते हैं. And then he said, send Ratna to fetch it. Means उनके घर से मट्ठा लाने के लिए रत्ना को भेज दें. And Ratna came as planned, but nobody knew his plan. Okay, he is doing himself. So next day when Ratna came, it was Friday, and so she was wearing a grand sari, very beautiful sari she was wearing. And then she came, and when she came, the narrator told her to sit in his room and requested her to sing a song. And he called the same time to Ranga also. While she was singing the song Krishnamurti. Okay, Krishnamurti is a religious song in South India. So while she was singing the song Krishnamurti in front of the narrator, Ranga reached the door. The same time Ranga came at the door. He stood at the threshold. When he heard that someone is singing song, he stopped at the threshold, means just outside the gate. Dehli par. He did not want to singing to be disturbed. Okay, he did not want that the singing should be stopped. But he was curious to know about the singer also, that who is singing so sweetly, so sweet song. And then very carefully he peeped inside the room. And when, because light was coming from that door, and when the light was interrupted, Ratna looked up, and when she saw that there is a stranger there, immediately she stopped singing. And now the narrator is giving an example, the condition of Ranga that time. Okay, what was the condition of Ranga that time? The narrator is describing. Suppose you buy the best quality mango. Okay, suppose we have bought a best quality mango, we are eating it slowly, and okay, we are going to eat it slowly, savoring its peel, and before biting into a juicy flesh, you don't want to waste any part of it. It was so sweet that you don't want to waste any part of this fruit. Okay, you want to eat the whole mango. But before you take another bite, okay, you have taken one bite. But before you could take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand. जो फ्रूट है वो आपके हाथ से छूट कर नीचे ज़मीन पर गिर पड़ता है. आपको कैसा लगेगा? हाउ वुड यू फील? And Ranga's face showed the same disappointment when singing stopped. Okay, the song was very sweet. Ratna was singing sweetly, and he could listen just a bit of song, and then she stopped. Means he was unable to taste the fruit of song any longer. And then he told to the narrator, "You sent for me," means you called me. And he came and sat on the chair. Ratna stood at a distance. Okay, Ratna थोड़ी दूर पर खड़ी हो जाती है. Her head lowered. Okay, उसका सर नीचे झुका हुआ था. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. Continuously, Ranga was watching the girl. And once when Ranga saw that narrator is also watching him, he was just embarrassed. Okay, थोड़ी उसको शर्म सी आ गई. And for some time no one spoke any word. And then Ranga said, "It was my coming that stopped the singing. Let me leave." Okay, बोले अरे मेरे आने से ये गाना रुक गया, चलो मैं चला जाता हूँ. Birds, mere birds. The fellow said he would leave, but did not make a move. How can one expect words to match actions in these days of Kali Yuga? Okay, as you know, the narrator has used funny language. तो वो कह रहे हैं वो केवल उसके शब्द ही थे. He did not move to go from there. And he said, it is Kali Yuga time. And how can we expect that words to match with actions? Means जो हम कहेंगे वही कहेंगे करेंगे. Okay, so nowadays in Kali Yuga, nobody does whatever he says. And now Ratna had gone from there. She was feeling shy. After a while, okay, after some time, Ranga asked, "Who is that girl, Swami?" Okay, Swami is narrator himself. Who is that inside? Okay, now I'll continue in my next video. Okay.